Moving in Austin doesn't have to be stressful. Not when you call the experts at Apache Moving Storage, LLC. Whether you're moving from a studio apartment, condo, or 5-bedroom home, we're here to handle every part of the move with professionally trained, full-time movers you can trust. We will not only disassemble your furniture, but we will carefully pack and transport your belongings and even help set up your new space. Need extra flexibility? We offer free online quotes, free in-home walkthrough assessments, free 7-day storage for transitional moves, and same-day moving services when plans change fast. We also specialize in difficult and high-value moves, including pianos, pool tables, safes, antiques, and fragile items that require expert handling. With professional equipment, transparent pricing, and no surprise fees, we have been helping all of Austin move with confidence since 1996. Get your free quote online today at apachemoving.net or call 512-452-4799. Apache Moving and Storage, LLC, making Austin moves easier every day.